Look how nice this tempered glass look with this case on the Pixel 4a 5G. Today I will be showing you how to put this tempered glass on the Pixel 4a 5G. Welcome to my channel. Today any item that I use in the video, I will leave a link in the description, and if you are planning to buy any of those items, I would really appreciate it if you use my link in the description. Today I will be replacing this plastic screen protector on my Pixel 4a 5G, and I would be putting a tempered glass. This is the manufacturer I'll go with. I will leave a link in the description if you're interested in to get it. They call it a Pixel 4a 5G, and also I guess this manufacturer also call it Pixel 5 XL. Here's what comes in the bag. You get 3 of everything. You get those dust absorber, 3 of them. You're gonna use one. The cleaning stuff, you're gonna use one. You get a cleaning cloth for your screen, and also a tool to squeeze down this tempered glass. And with this package you also get 3 tempered glass. I can't really tell you the price of this item because Amazon is always changing their price constantly, and if you want to check what's the current price is, just go in the description box and click on the link. And also, this is the current case I'm using for this phone. If you're interested in buying it, I will also leave the link in the description box. I also like the fact that they provide you with this item, which make it really easy to put in your tempered glass. You have some label on it that tell you which one is the top or the bottom, but I don't think it's really matter because it looks pretty even to me, but I'm just gonna put it the right way just in case. Open package 1 first. And by the way, the little plastic screen protector that's on this phone came with this case, but I think it's too flimsy. It does an okay job, but if I drop this phone, I'm pretty sure my screen would break. So that's why I want to put a tempered glass on it instead. Let's clean this now. Let's open package 2. I'm trying to go in one direction so it's less visible if I make any mistake. It looks pretty clean so far. You can see there are some bubbles. I'm just gonna try to work them out. I also have an unboxing of this device, and when my package was delivered, the driver just threw it, and I also put this at the beginning of the video if you want to check it out. If you want to see it, just click on this link above and you see how the driver just threw my phone on my front porch. I just went ahead and just, with this tool they provide me, I just kind of went down and squeezed all the air bubble out, and as you can see, it looked pretty clean now. Now I feel like the phone is protected. Even if I drop it, I'm gonna try everything not to drop it, but if it falls in my hand somehow, I know it's gonna be protected. And look how nice this look. Let me just put the screen brightness on a little bit. It's protected on the front, also protected on the back, even the side. This case, you have some bevel on the camera, so even if you sit it down on a table and it kind of for a hard surface, it's not gonna scratch the lens or anything. It goes same thing for the front. It's a little elevated, so it's not gonna scratch your tempered glass. Thank you very much for coming to my channel again. Don't forget to check out those links if you're interested in buying those products. I would really appreciate it if you use my link if you're already planning to purchase those items. Have a good one.